Grand Rising family, I want to welcome you to another episode of Max Crypto News, where we talk about these intangible coins at all times, family. Family, if you're not subscribed to Big Max on YouTube, I need you to hit that subscribe button, family. I need you to make sure that you subscribe to Big Max on YouTube, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, and most of all, if you like the information, please like the video and leave a comment, family. Listen, we have about a couple more days left where I will be still offering this advanced crypto class, family. For $99, you will get information to this class, so you will be able to sign in, get in this market, and make money off the market, family, right? I only have a couple days left where I will be offering the class. It's exactly 5 days. You can email me at bmac252.sf@gmail.com, or you can email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com, family. Listen, family, the market is recovering. I made my video earlier today, and I was talking about how the market was actually going down. And at that time, a lot of people was panicking, family. And I told you, what do you do with a red market? You strengthen your positions. You do not get afraid, especially when we're in a bull market. See, family, we are currently in a bull market. This means the price is going up. So when you have corrections in a bull market, you make sure you buy them dips. Now, if we was in a bear market, I would tell you something different. The strategy would be totally different. But the fact that we're in a bull market, it means when you see these red days, family, you buy the dip. Do not forget that, family. When you see these red days, you make sure that you buy the dip. Now, when we look at coin market cap, family, we can see, hold on, let me do something. Hold up, family. Let me get this right. Let me do something. All right, but when we look at coin market cap, we can see that the total price market cap is $1,540,000,000,000, family. So what this is telling me, hold up, let me share my screen. Something happened right then. All right, family, what this is telling us is that the market is starting to recover. So let's see what we see. Bitcoin at $50,861. So Bitcoin has got over that hurdle of recrossing the $50,000 mark. And, you know, a lot of people, I even said that it was a possibility that Bitcoin would roll and go and touch this, the moving average, which was under 44,000. But we have had a strong recovery. We can see that we're back over 50,000. So after going down to 44,000, we are back actually at 50,000 and actually was over. So now we're starting to hit this 290-day moving average and get above it. And this is what we wanted. So we can see that we're we bottomed out here, and now we're actually trending up, right? Now, we need to see if we keep this trajectory, right? If we keep this trajectory and we do not go below this line, we will see if we actually trending back up, family. I told y'all corrections are healthy, and that looked good right there. So let's go to this 30-minute chart. And we can see the same thing. So let's see how we hold up going into tomorrow morning. You know, let's see if we still keep moving with this trend, family. But if you brought in the Bitcoin earlier today when it was down to 46,000, you had a $4,000 increase, family. Ethereum at $1,619. Binance up to $245. Binance was down to $200. Polkadot at $35.24. Cardano at 99 cents. Cardano had got down to 92 cents. The reason I know because I brought the dip. XRP at 49 cents. Litecoin $180. Chainlink at $27.97. You got Bitcoin Cash at $540.27. Stellar at 31 cents. Stellar had got down to 33 cents. Was it 33 or 30? I think it was 33. And I went on in and brought me some. So I was buying the dip. But what I want y'all to see is the market is recovering, family. And this happens from time to time. And you buy the dip so you can turn your money 2-3 times or possibly get a 50% return in your investment within a day or two. This is how you run this market, family. Now, family, y'all know that I have been pushing this GSX Apollo FinTech, right? So if you're new and you haven't seen this, I'm going to play the video. Right now, this is the world's first growth coin. You get 11% buying bonus today, plus 5% if you lose my link. But let's check this out.
Introducing gold secured currency, better known as GSX, the first of a new genre of currencies called growth coins. A growth coin combines all of the best elements of a stable coin, an investment coin, and a traditional cryptocurrency into one secured currency. The benefits: 1. It's backed. GSX is trust-backed by land rights and gold. The starting value has been set with the assets backing GSX, now with many large-scale mines and refineries being added. These include a number of future alluvial and hard rock gold mines, copper mines, a tantalum mine, a nickel mine, and a lithium mine. 2. Trust ownership. GSX holders are the trust beneficiaries of all land rights. What this means is that even if something was to happen to Apollo FinTech, the assets would be sold and the proceeds would go directly to the holders of GSX. 3. Growth. There will be a continual increase in the amount of mineral-rich land and gold backing of GSX. 50% of the metals mined after expenses and expansion will back GSX, so the asset value will grow constantly. The first-year minimum asset goal is $7 billion, making the individual asset value 23 cents to the US dollar per GSX. Second year is $20 billion in assets, making the asset value 66 cents per US dollar per GSX. And the third year is $30 billion in assets, making the asset value $1 per GSX. This trend should continue along a similar pace. 4. Audited. GSX gold and metal reserves will be continuously audited by some of the most respected auditing firms such as BVA. 5. Dividends. GSX holders are entitled to yearly dividends of 50% of all gold and metals mined and refined after expenses and expansion. 6. Coin burn. 50% of the $10 billion offered that is not sold in CDE will be burned. The value will move to the surviving GSX. 7. Redeemable. GSX will be redeemable for its gold value, so it will help to maintain a more constant price. 8. Quantum resistance. GSX will be one of the first quantum-resistant stable coins with the integration of the quantum steel cryptography algorithm. 9. Participation. GSX is more than an investment. It's an experience. Holders will be able to visit and stay at the main mine at the GSX Visitor Center. They will be able to participate in elements of mining, such as testing out equipment, watching explosives, prospecting with the pros, testing, and many more experiences that offer the true gold rush thrill. Furthermore, the team is planning to put up 24/7 live feed cameras, allowing holders the ability to take part in the action from the comfort of their home. Gold-secured currency is a new kind of investment, an investment that allows its holders the ability to watch their net worth expand, to collect profits, and even participate. Take part in the world's newest and most innovative financial tool and take part in history.
So family, if you want to get involved in GSX, if it's something you're interested in, it's a link in the description, and you can hit the link and then you can get started, family. Right? So let's go to a little bit of news real fast. It was a big deal with Tether today. Tether deal with New York State brings quick reversal of crypto market sell-off. That's what the headline is, but the bottom line is Tether made a settlement with New York State General Attorney today about their ongoing lawsuit that they had going on with them. They don't know that this talking about this is the reason why. He don't know what he's talking about. But what's important is that hold up, where is it at? It says in April 2019, the New York prosecutor had accused Bittrex of using Tether funds to cover up the loss of $850 million in customer and corporate funds held by payment processors. Right? Oh, hold on, man. I just want to deal with the amount of money that Tether paid, and this article don't cover it. So you know, they trying to say what they don't know, and that's the honest truth. Because this deal ain't why the market reversed. Market reversed because of what the Fed said they're gonna do. So wow. Yo, did y'all look? We gotta talk about this. In Nigeria, one Bitcoin can cost $68,000. Here's why. This is some crazy inflation that they're doing to keep people out. So let me even though this wasn't meant, but I'm gonna play this, y'all. Let me turn this on. But this is ridiculous.
So while India considers a government-sponsored bill banning cryptocurrencies, Nigeria has gone a step further. Last week, Nigeria's central bank ordered banks to close the accounts of cryptocurrency users. Cue social unrest, and the Nigeria Senate inviting the governor of the central bank and the director general of the securities regulator to testify on the matter, with one senator coming out as strongly against the ban. Our next guest says his mission is to give young Africans the ability to exit from their broken and failed financial and governance systems. With close links to crypto exchange Binance, his crypto platform is known as the Binance of Africa. Joining us now from Lagos, Nigeria, is Yele Badamosi, CEO of Bundle Africa. Welcome, Yele.
Thanks very much for having me. It's a pleasure to be here.
Absolutely.
All right, now, family, y'all can watch this whole article yourself, but basically, the central banks in Nigeria are the ones that's telling them to crack down. They are making the government crack down. You understand who controls Nigeria's central bank, man? They don't control it. It's controlled by other countries. And that's a whole conversation for a whole nother day, right? But that's what's going on, right? And this thing that Bitcoin has already passed the $68,000 mark in Nigeria is off the chain. They are overpricing. It says on Fridays, Nigeria's official exchange rate for the US dollar was around 380 naira per dollar. Using this rate, a Bitcoin listed on peer-to-peer platform, local Bitcoins in Nigeria of around 26 million now converted to $68,246. On the surface, this looked like a hefty 240% premium, which in this content refers to Bitcoin price being much higher in specific locations than it is on average worldwide. Now, family, this is the truth, because when I was in Accra, Ghana, the price of Bitcoin is higher in Ghana than it is in America. And that's the honest truth. Their prices are higher than ours, and I wonder why. But that's another conversation for another day. That ain't what this show is about. But I just have to throw that out there, man. It don't make sense. The price is higher in Africa than it is in America. So that's crazy, man. But let me keep going, man. So look, this is an article right here that is talking about 1 billion people will store life savings on their phone in Bitcoin by 2026. Now listen, y'all may think, 2000, that ain't but 5 years away, y'all. And the way time is moving, in the next 5 years, we're going to have another bull run. And 2025 is going to be the next bull run. So this makes a lot of sense with what they're talking about, but let's listen to it.
7 to 8 billion people will store life savings in Bitcoin on their phone, MicroStrategy CEO. Bitcoin, BTC, will be the savings method of choice for 1 billion people on their phones by 2026, MicroStrategy CEO Michael Saylor predicts. In an interview with CNBC on February 23, Saylor, whose company owns in excess of 70,000 BTC, continued his public Bitcoin advocacy, calling it the dominant digital monetary network. Saylor, billions will choose Bitcoin for savings. Saylor was speaking a day after U.S. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen described Bitcoin as inefficient, comments which accompanied a price dip of over 20% from all-time highs of $58,300. For him, however, comments were of little consequence compared to the broader Bitcoin use case quickly encroaching into more and more people's financial lives. The story here that's not being told is that Bitcoin is egalitarian progressive technology, he told CNBC's Squawk Box segment. We're going to see a day when 7 to 8 billion people have a bar of digital gold on their phone and they're using it to store their life savings with it. Continuing, he cited Bitcoin's 12-year race to becoming a $1 trillion asset, 2 to 4 times quicker than tech giants including Amazon, Google, and Apple. So the world needs this thing, and I think you can expect that we'll have 1 billion people storing their value, in essence a savings account, on a mobile device within 5 years, and they're going to want to use something like Bitcoin, he added. Bitcoin is the dominant digital monetary network. Analyst, Tesla will double down on BTC holdings. Saylor continues to make waves with MicroStrategy's ongoing Bitcoin buys, the latest of which involved raising $900 million solely to add to its existing holdings. While skeptics claim that few others will follow in the company's footsteps, another CNBC guest on Tuesday forecast that Tesla, which itself bought $1.5 billion of BTC, will double down on its exposure. I think this is not just a fad, I think Tesla's going to continue to double down on its Bitcoin investment, and you'll see it from a transaction perspective as well, Dan Ives, managing director and senior equity research analyst at Wedbush Securities said.
So you have people saying that 1 billion people will store their life savings on their phone using Bitcoin. And we can see this happening. Most people pay with their phones to do everything anyway as we speak. So this really ain't so far-fetched, family, to hear something like that. Now, family, listen, y'all know I'm in Bankroll Flow, getting this residual income. I'm getting it every day. It's a link in the description if you want to get signed up with Bankroll, so you can get this residual income on a daily basis. This is part of my strategy of how you can make $2,000 a day by doing crypto, not just by investing in crypto, but actually taking a part of crypto and doing what DeFi is meant to do. You can make $2,000 a day, family. And you know, I will be offering that class beginning in March 1st, a 1-day, 1 course, teach you how to make this money on this market, family. Right? Also, let me get back to y'all know that it's a link in the description so you can sign up to get a piece of the pie. Let me play this video, quick video.
The future of money is evolving rapidly, and no one wants to be left behind. Mining Bitcoin is time and energy intensive, requires extensive physical resources, and advanced technical knowledge. Introducing Pi, the first and only digital currency you can mine on your phone. That's big. This novel approach, developed by Stanford PhDs, allows you to mine cryptocurrency on your phone by leveraging your existing social connections with no cost and no battery drain. Have a phone? You've got Pi. It's time to join the revolution. Download Pi today for Apple or Android and get your piece of the pie.
So it's a link in the description, family, where you can download this app so you can get Pi and you can be mining free Pi to your phone every day. When you download the app, make sure you put in Max Crypto News as your referral code. You will join the family and we will be mining this Pi together, family, and it's free, right? So also, let me get back to the market. Let me play this. What else? So listen, as we see the market recovering, family, just remember what I said earlier. You buy the dip. Buy the dip in the bull run. And also, family, if you like this information, man, please make sure you subscribe to Bittrex on YouTube. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, family. And if you want to join the classes, email me at maxcryptonews@gmail.com, or you can email me at bmac252.sf@gmail.com. Now look, we can still see Bitcoin is still at 50,700, over $700, right? It's staying. We haven't got within this. We stand above the trend line. That's what we're going to be looking at to see if we go under this. Hopefully, if we stay above it, you will see the price continue to go up, which is always a great sign. Let me make this big so y'all can see it. You know, so I said, so as long as we stay above this trend line and don't go under it, we will be trending back up. You know, if you brought in at this time when it dipped, you got a good buy. Now let's see how we hold up. We recovering kind of good. But let's see how good we keep recovering and see if we can get back up, you know, to over 51. Then start working our way back up gradually, you know. So we'll see. I think it's looking good. The fact that we back over $50,000 is a very good sign there. Right? Also, we got Square, which doubles down on Bitcoin, investing another $170 million. Now, y'all know that Square and Cash App go hand in hand. And when you buy your Bitcoin on Cash App, it's a little higher than the market price, right? Because they're making their little percentage. But let's listen to this. It ain't but a minute and 39 seconds.
Square doubles down on Bitcoin, investing another $170 million. Financial services outfit Square just announced it has picked up more Bitcoin. Square has purchased approximately 3,318 Bitcoins at an aggregate purchase price of $170 million, the company said in a public statement on Tuesday, adding, combined with Square's previous purchase of $50 million in Bitcoin, this represents approximately 5% of Square's total cash equivalents and marketable securities as of December 31, 2020. Bitcoin, BTC, has fallen significantly this week so far, dropping below the $50,000 mark after tapping a record high past $58,000, based on TradingView.com data. Based on the $170 million sum Square swapped for about 3,318 BTC, the outfit looks to have paid an average of $51,235 per coin on its new investment. Aligned with the company's purpose, Square believes that cryptocurrency is an instrument of economic empowerment, providing a way for individuals to participate in a global monetary system and secure their own financial future, Square noted in the statement. The investment is part of Square's ongoing commitment to Bitcoin, and the company plans to assess its aggregate investment in Bitcoin relative to its other investments on an ongoing basis. Square bought $50 million worth of Bitcoin in 2020, which it announced last fall. Square's statement also included an unveiling of its 2020 financial documents. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey also serves as CEO of Square. Dorsey recently donated a Bitcoin to a nonprofit aimed at Bitcoin technical progress.
So you can see Square is doubling down. They are not getting up out of here. They're trying to get this money, family. And they know Bitcoin is the way to get this money. Right? So family, let's look at the watch list tonight. The Bitcoin, Binance at 250. Binance is starting to make that move already. Binance is strong, y'all. BNB is very strong. Just understand that. Everything's still red. Tron at 4 cents, holding on. The graph starting to move up. $1.90. Algorand up 5%. Pancake swap $1.30. Everything else looking a little bit red. District at 25 cents, still trying to move. Clever up a penny and a half. Y'all remember Clever now? That what was Clever? That 100 400K challenge. I just showed y'all yesterday about XFin. Look like I'm about to take y'all down memory lane with Clever. Look at Goose Finance, $125.35. Very. Panda, yeah, 921. Might give me some more Panda. Chicken kebab, 76 cents. Birthday cake, $1.17. Shiba. So things are slowly starting to change, family. Bitcoin look like it want to get to that 59,000. Look like it want to go ahead and get to 50,900, y'all. I'm sorry. Look like it want to get to 51,000. Looking good though. And y'all know I've been showing y'all on Oat Swap. I showed y'all this earlier today. You see the price still at $52. You see how many harvests I got. So you know, for every one of these I get, that's $52 for me, right? Now, I showed y'all a little bit earlier, you know, where the APR is 6,953.13%. And when you come to the farm, you know, you're getting 12,569.70%. Banks don't stand a chance when you get these type of APRs, family, right? They have no idea what to do with this type of APR. But we can see that Oat Swap is the truth. And family, this is some of the stuff that you do to get residual income. You're getting 5 or 6 of these a day. It starts adding up. That's about $300. That stuff starts adding up, family. And this is why you want to join that class on March the 1st, so I can teach you how to get in. There's another one. New one just came out. New one just came out today. Hey, look at the APR, 25,224.87%. This is how much they paying you, to 25,224.87%. Do you see that? Listen. and you get in here, you just get to work, family. But with that being said, man, I appreciate y'all for watching this episode of Max Crypto News. And I look forward to y'all catching the next one. With that being said, peace. Look at that, 51,000. We just got over 51,000, y'all. We just got over 51,000. The high so far is $51,459. So look like the market is really starting to recover. And with that being said, peace, family. I love y'all. Well, I do. Catch y'all on the next video.